The headlines: School children voice concern against global warming. NSUI activists celebrate UPA triumph. And Give Old, Take New. Titan launches new offer. Students of the Canara English Higher Primary School, Dongarkiri, took to the streets as part of the anti-global warming campaign initiated by the school on Friday, July 25th. The Little Voices urged the citizens to save trees and stop deforestation. In spite of the rains, the students were seen marching on the city streets, shouting their way against the fatal global warming phenomenon. The march that began from the school headed to the PVS Circle and then returned back to the school. As part of the celebration of the comprehensive victory of the UPA in the recently held trust vote in the parliament, NSUI activists took part in a rally on Friday, 25th July. The activists expressed that the deal is certainly going to help the country fulfill its energy requirements and that the UPA had done the right thing by going ahead with the deal.
ಯುಪಿಎ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಇವತ್ತೊಂದು ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಣು ಒಪ್ಪಂದದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಸದನದ ಒಂದು ಬಹುಮತ ಏನು ಪಡೆದಿದೆ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಅಂಗವಾಗಿ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ NSUI ಬೃಹತ್ ರ್ಯಾಲಿ, ಬೈಕ್ ರ್ಯಾಲಿಯನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜಿಸುವುದು ನಮಗೆ ನಿಜವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಸಂತೋಷ ತರುವ ವಿಷಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ.
Tickle your taste buds with sumptuous dishes. Madhuvan's Village promises food relishers a delightful journey in taste. Experience an enchanting village ambience with cozy huts, smoke-free zone and tranquil surroundings. Village Family Restaurant is now even more inviting with added features like 4-lane concreted road right at the doorstep, ample space for car parking, more picturesque open space ideal for corporate and family parties, exceptional dining choices of Indian, Chinese, continental and ethnic delicacies. Visit Village Family Restaurant to experience a delicious blend of idyllic surroundings and mouth-watering cuisines. Madhuvan's Village, the family restaurant, Yadi, Mangalore 8422141158. Come once, you're sure to remain a regular.
Titan launched a new offer in the city, wherein customers can exchange their old watches to take home brand new ones. A 25% off offer was also announced.
We said, no, Indian watch market is changing, right? We said, we have changed offer wherein customer can bring in his old watch, he can exchange to the latest trendy watch, latest collection of the watch, and he will get a discount of 25% on exchanging that watch. What he feels? No, he gets a value for his old watch. Normally Indian mentality is that they don't want to discard the old watch or whatever item. They're getting a trendy new watch for customer and value for the old watch.